Here we are then, South Walney Nature Reserve. And they even keep caravan people in captivity here, look. Striking a blow for diversity. Seals, all kinds of exotic birds, and people who live in trailers. Oh, there's a word for them. Oh, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Oh my me, I've got a lot to do today. Motorcycle stuff. All 4 motorcycles need attention. The Murgatroyd's Benelli BM125, first of all. It didn't appear in the sequence of films when we went to Northumberland, but on the way home, the Murgatroyd did some serious damage to her rear tyre. There's a big hole there, and there's an even bigger hole there. That is actually a tear. What happened, I was riding behind her when it happened, so I saw it all. She rode over a piece of slate that had probably fallen off a truck into the middle of the road. We were both very tired at that point, and so it's understandable. But we had to wait by the roadside for about 2 hours for the AA guy to turn up. He tried to repair the punctures in the rear wheel, but he was kind enough to follow us all the way home, 30 miles from where we had the incident. And I now have to take off both wheels because they're going to the service garage tomorrow to get new tyres. Pirelli Angel Cities. The Murgatroyd, of course, is doing her motorcycle test imminently, and so she wants to get a lot of practice in. Rear wheel is off. I've now got to work on the front wheel. Just need to tidy up the garage a bit, make some space, and then find out how to do it. Not a job I've done before. Oh, hello everybody. Kevin the Conscious Kickbag here. Welcome back to the channel. It's a nice spring day. I wonder if I'll get any attention. Oh my me, here comes the mighty Guru Yogurt. It's the only attention I get, you know. I've learned to love it. Well, that was straightforward enough. Very good. Ooh. Well, that's one job done. On we go. Now it's time to pay some attention to the CF Moto 650 MT. Oh, I got this as well last week. Tyre pressure checker thingy. It's a bit steampunk in it, with its little brass fittings and its knurled, what do you call that? Casing, I suppose. Anyway, I'm quite impressed with that. Here, I'll give you a closer look. There we are, look. Very steampunk, really. Anyway, I've had a delivery. The Benelli is hanging from the ceiling. Don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so what's in the box? Well, now, one of the drawbacks of the CF Moto doesn't have a centre stand. So what I've had to do is to order a Paddock stand. And here it is. I've just got to try and decipher the instructions now. Instructions de montage. Oh, that's French. Assembly instructions. It's in the normal gibberish, so I'm sure I'll work it out. But before that, I have to install Paddock bobbins, Paddock stand bobbins, or swing arm spools, as they're also known. We'll get on with it. So then, what we're going to do is pull out these little rubber grommets. That was easy enough. And then fit the Paddock stand bobbins. If I can remember where I've put them. Now then, I'm hoping that the bit of research that I did gave me the correct result. What we have here is M10 with a 1.25 pitch. Which somehow doesn't feel right. Well, there we go then. That's one done. Well, that's that. Just got to assemble the paddock stand now. Oh, look at this then. King Charles III England coast path. Who the fuck is that? King Charles III? Oh, hang on. He's that motherfucker I've read about in the paper. Yeah, thinks homeopathy has a scientific basis. Big brother of a known paedophile. That's the one. Anyway, we're near to the beach now. Let's not have this turning into another political rant. Oh, hang on, it just did. Oh, this is quite lovely. There's a castle over there. The Murgatroyd told me a story about that. I cannot remember what it was. And there's a lighthouse over there. And we're just a few minutes away from the nature reserve. I wonder if we're going to see any seals.